Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find and delete all the viruses on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you are using iPhone latest version iOS 18, and if you want to find and delete all the viruses in your iPhone, basically iPhone provides so much high security that it is impossible to get any virus into your iPhone. But if it happens, then you can simply do some necessary settings to avoid these viruses on your iPhone. So what are these settings, so how you can follow that? So first of all, you have to simply watch this video completely. So the first thing you have to do is you can simply check whether you have installed the latest iOS version on your iPhone. So in here you can simply check by clicking on general, and after that you can simply check for software update. And then the necessary setting you can do is first of all, to effectively remove viruses from an iPhone, prioritize keeping the iOS software up to date. So the first thing is you have to simply keep your software up to date, and the second one is you have to simply use a strong passcode. And if you suspect a virus, start your iPhone, delete any suspicious app and clear browsing history. More, you can also prevent viruses by keeping iOS update. You can also use two-factor authentication. Moreover, you can only download apps from the App Store, because it will not contain any virus, and you can also limit permission from the apps. Moreover, you can also restart your iPhone if you find a virus. Moreover, you can delete suspicious app. Moreover, you have to make sure that you have backup of your data, and you can erase all content and settings. So you can install any security software like anti-malware software. Consider installing an anti-malware app for your iPhone to scan for and remove the potential areas. Moreover, you have to avoid jailbreaking on your iPhone, and it can bypass Apple security features. So if you are unsure how to proceed, contact Apple support for the guidance. So in this way you can simply contact Apple support if you want more guidance. But there are also many apps that provide security scans, which means you can search in the App Store for the app which can provide the virus scan on iPhone iOS. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.